Hey, you are welcome. Today's case study is about Dubai. How Dubai suddenly got so much money in last 20 years. How Dubai became a global destination, global hub and third most travel city in the world. How Dubai became so much powerful. Dubai had nothing. Before 20 years, it was just a desert. Dubai don't have own food, own water, own mineral, own gold. So how Dubai got so much money? Let's start with His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. He is the ruler of Dubai, Prime Minister of UAE, a visionary leader. Common man planned their weekend Saturday, Sunday, and this man planned 10 years. People think Dubai got money from oil. Sir, I'm sharing you. Oil revenue is just 1%. Dubai completely shifted their revenue. They converted oil-based economy into tourist-based economy. They converted oil-based economy into financial hub-based economy. His Royal Highness has an illness. And what is that? Allergy to average. Come on, what? Allergy to average. He doesn't like anything average. Dubai never settles for anything less than first place. Either they will be the only one or the number one. Be attentive, come on. Either the only one or the number one. Even if they create mall, they will create Dubai Mall, world's biggest mall. If they create tower, they will create Burj Khalifa, world's largest tower. They created Palm Jumeirah, man-made island. They created underwater bridge, underwater tennis courts. World's biggest, the only 7-star hotel in the world, Burj Al Arab. You cannot enter that hotel wearing shoes. Whatever they do, number one or the only one. Your car cannot be dirty in Dubai. If your car is dirty, 200 dirham fine will automatically cut from your account. You cannot wash your car from a common man. There are special stations to wash your car. Not like you wash your car and make their land dirty. They grew flowers in desert. Yes, world's biggest flower garden, Dubai Miracle Garden. World's highest 5-star hotel, he created JW Marriott. World's biggest gold market, he made the gold souk. He didn't stop here. He went to Disneyland. He said, Disneyland, make a Disneyland in Dubai also, but it should be bigger than America's Disneyland. Disneyland rejected. They said, America's Disneyland will be the biggest because it's our Disneyland. Then Sheikh said, His Highness, look, it should be the biggest. When Disneyland again rejected, he said, don't worry, I'm creating Dubai Land. Dubai Land 2.5 times bigger than America's Disneyland, where every day more than 200,000 people will visit. This man never stops. His Highness Sheikh, he is so honest, he feels connected with common man, he is taking one bigger than another innovation-led initiatives. What he is saying? 25% buildings will be created from 3D printing in Dubai by 2030. Do you understand 3D printing? Already there is 44 3D printed building in Dubai. Come on, again, 3D printing, creating building from printout. He made the process so easy and convenient. You just understand one thing, this man is not going to stop. Dubai Road and Transport Authority announced, now we are going to make a passenger drone. What is a passenger drone? A common man who is almost 100 kg in weight. The drone will fly at 150 km per hour speed for 50 kilometers. Already preparations are done, test completed. His Royal Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. He believes ordinary people, they save money to party. But extraordinary people, they save money to build big empires. He launched Dubai 10X. What is Dubai 10X? He wants everything to become 10 times more in Dubai. He is training his government how to make everything 10 times bigger, 10 times faster and 10 times more efficient. He is also starting Dubai Canal project. Making big free Wi-Fi zones through Dubai Canal project, they will completely change their transportation system. Right there he will create 200 big houses what he will also sell. Floating restaurants, marina beaches, how many things. Look, this is called not having resources, being resourcefulness. Why Abu Dhabi has grown? They have oil, I can believe. That's why they have grown. Other Gulf countries are also doing this. They are taking oil out from desert and selling that. Dubai had nothing. He understands ease of communication. Because visionary leadership, he thinks about future. That's why he created world's most connected city. He is also creating a hyperloop in Dubai. Way of communication and travel. What is this? This is a vacuum tube. From Abu Dhabi to Dubai, 10,000 passengers can travel in 12 minutes in this. Listen again, 10,000 passengers together just 12 minutes. Because he thinks about future, that's why he is making driverless cars. His commitment 25% cars will be completely driverless till 2025. This will be a 30 passengers car. 30 passengers will come, they will click in mobile application and the car will reach to them. They will select the start point and end point and the car will take them there. No need of drivers. He even disrupted transportation. He created a policing service which is policing without police. Be attentive, come on, what? Policing without police. He made the system. He is making smart police stations in Dubai. One after another, one after another. There will be no need of policemen. He made everything automated. No chances of corruption. He made the system so much automated that you go to police station, you won't find any policeman there. You yourself can check any criminal file. You can complain against anyone, any accident, any lost and found. Anything happens, you yourself can do everything with that machine. You will not need any policeman. So, what is the benefit of policing without police? No need of human intervention. No need of manpower. So, the cost of manpower became nil. Less policemen, he destroyed the chances of corruption because everything became automated. In fact, the other policemen, they got big expensive supercars. Dubai's police is the richest police in the world. Now look, we all understood he is a visionary leader. Let me tell you an amazing thing. In desert, creating big buildings, no one has this vision in the world. You cannot do construction there because your construction will not last in desert. So how you will create big skyscraper buildings there? He invited all the best consultants of the world. He doesn't want anything better, either the number one or the only one. He called the best consultant of the world. He went to eastern region mountains of Dubai. He saw some V-shaped valleys in the mountains. So His Highness asked, tell me one thing, how mountain will automatically be V-shaped? How this valley is created? The valley is created because before many years, definitely there was water. Because only water cut the mountain and create valleys. All the big buildings he has created, Burj Khalifa, Burj Al Arab, more than 40 skyscraper buildings which are higher than 50 floors, these buildings drink so much water. You just understand 200,000 gallon liter water is daily requirement of Burj Khalifa. So many 5-star hotels are created there. Just imagine how much water they need. In desert, world's most dry place, what are the resources of this water? This is called vision. What he has done? He went there and found more than 2 million years ago, there was water in the valleys. He dig there and found that there is still water under the desert. He built water management, resource management system and start extracting water from there. By extracting water in the world's most dry place, he built world's most beautiful skyscraper buildings. All the buildings are thirsty of water. Among the 7 emirates of UAE, Dubai is less conservative. Less conservative means open-hearted. Over 200 nationalities live in Dubai. How he has made big skyscraper buildings there. To work, he calls people from all over the world. Maximum 65% people working here are from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal and Philippines. He knows that the economy of these countries, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, are not so good. It will be painful for you, I know, I am sorry for that, but for working as a labor, they call these people. Over 40-degree temperature tolerating labor. They will find here, they know that. 40-degree temperature, by motivating them, they has built these buildings. This sheikh is very big thinking sheikh. He says, I don't do anything, I just think. We are just thought leaders. He has built the thoughtfulness. By calling people from all over the world, he gets things done. He thinks big. This is called visionary leaders. Talk about anything in the world. Either Dubai has that or Dubai is making that. Construction is happening so fast here. 1/4 of JCB cranes of the world are working in Dubai. Very little Dubai, but it's expanding the fastest. There are 14 world records of Burj Khalifa. World's tallest tower, world's highest restaurant, this is also in Burj Khalifa. World's tallest lift, that is also in Burj Khalifa. World's tallest fireworks, take any record. World's most number of floors, world's highest residential place, all this in Burj Khalifa. Sheikh knows how to take global talent and global traffic in Dubai. To take the talents, he built tax-free economy. Their white money is black money and black money is white money. Because there is no tax. All the money you earn is yours. Government doesn't take any income tax. So I was thinking how they earn. They don't even take tax. He thinks so far that he is also making a temperature control city. What is temperature control city? There is a little country Monaco. This city will be more than 3 times bigger than that. They are creating a mall. World's largest mall. What will be so many times bigger than Dubai Mall? So many hotels will be there. There will be roads, traffic lights and everything will be air conditioned. This means air conditioned roads, air conditioned city. I sometimes get surprised when I think about his thought process. Like he just thinks and after that he makes that reality. Like give him any difficulty, he will convert that in possibility. He is not a difficulty scanner, he is a possibility scanner. There was shortage of land where they can expand Dubai, so they start creating island in sea, man-made island. Haha. Till today there was natural island. He built man-made island. By making big mountains, by taking help of dredgers, he built Palm Jumeirah. He saw from satellite, let's make a tree like this. And in shape of tree, let's make Palm Jumeirah, where I will sell big expensive houses. Those will be beachfront, beach-facing luxury villas. Now think and understand. If someone wants to make an island, he will make a round island and say, job done. But he hasn't made round island. Listen it attentively. He thinks if I make round island, there will be very limited beach-facing houses. We have to do something that we can sell more houses. He sells one villa in about 500,000 US dollar. See how he is generating revenue. See the ways of earning money. When there is nothing in pocket and watching all other Gulf countries are earning by selling oil, how I can earn? So what he has done, he made a tree. There is beach facing houses in every corner. Facing this side, then that side, this side and that side. If he made it round, then there would be very limited beach facing houses. Now when he made it like palm, quantity of villas increased 5 times more. Look, commitment to trade is their biggest reason of success. Do you understand commitment to trade? To build the trade, he is so committed. Dubai was not found on oil. It was found on trade. He built special economic zones, free business zones, the tax-free economy he has built, that is the business in Dubai. Dubai is the third largest re-exporter in the world. Any big countries in the world, they have flight in every 5 hours. Their airline service is super fast and excellent. He is doing all the work so that their trades can expand. World's largest expo in 2020 was held in Dubai. 175,000 jobs will increase from that. In World Expo, Dubai will have everything what the other parts of the world have. Dubai earns money in many ways. One of those is fines. He applied so much fine in Dubai that for this fine, for this penalty, people are disciplined. Bro, never do any mistake in Dubai. Touching any girl, you cannot imagine what will happen with you. If you jump any red line, no one will stop you from fine. 200 dirham fine will automatically cut from your account. I told you before, dirty guards. If your check bounces, you will go direct jail. If you do any kind of mistakes in Dubai, kissing in public or hugging, then you will go direct jail or you will have big fine. He has built excellent discipline in Dubai by applying fines. There is no crime, no mistakes in Dubai.